Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So I've been managing rental properties for a while now, and remote management can throw some serious curveballs at you. You're coordinating maintenance from 3 states away, and guests are hitting you up at all hours of the day. You're juggling bookings, payments, cleaning schedules, all at the same time. I went through probably a good dozen different apps trying to find anything that would make my life easier. Some were so dang complicated that they needed their own instruction manual, whereas others were just missing basic features I actually needed. So after years of this nonsense, I finally came across DoorLoop, and it has changed how I handle my properties. And today, I want to give you a deep dive into how DoorLoop can help you manage your Airbnb properties remotely. We'll cover what it is, how it works, pricing, and I'll give you the straight story on whether it's worth your time and money. Now, if you've never heard of DoorLoop before, it's this cloud-based property management platform that handles everything from rent collection to maintenance requests. And I do mean everything. We're talking accounting, tenant communication, marketing, the whole 9 yards. What caught my attention immediately is that it's built specifically for remote property management. Whether you're handling one Airbnb or a whole portfolio of rentals, it keeps everything organized in one place instead of having spreadsheets and apps scattered across all over creation. And DoorLoop works with all kinds of properties too: residential, commercial, student housing, even mobile homes and storage units. But for Airbnb hosts, it's got features that make the whole remote management thing way less stressful. They integrate with platforms that you probably already use: Zillow, QuickBooks, that kind of stuff. Plus, they use the same hardcore 256-bit encryption to keep your data secure that banks use. And here's something real nice: they offer unlimited free training and customer support that actually responds when you need help. Now, getting started with DoorLoop is pretty straightforward. You sign up, you add your property details, and boom, you got a dashboard that shows you everything happening with rentals. The automation features are where this thing really shines. Instead of manually chasing down payments or constantly reminding yourself to schedule a cleaning, DoorLoop handles the repetitive stuff automatically. You can set up rent collection, you can organize maintenance requests, and you can track all your finances without needing a whole bunch of separate apps. And for communication, and this is huge when you are managing remotely, you can keep detailed guest records and send automated messages and track all your conversations all in one spot. No more digging through text messages, trying to figure out what that one guest from last month happened to be complaining about. The calendar tools help you coordinate availability and schedule cleaning services. And there's document storage for all those receipts and agreements that legally you need to keep track of. Plus, you can customize workflows to match however you like to run things, whether you're a solo host or managing multiple properties with a team. All right, let's talk money. DoorLoop has 3 pricing tiers, and they're all pretty reasonable considering what you get, right? The starter plan runs about $79 a month if you pay monthly, or $69 if you pay annually. That gets you all the essential stuff: accounting, rent collection, maintenance tracking, and tenant communication. For the majority of Airbnb hosts, this is going to be plenty. If you need, you can step up to the Pro plan. It's $169 per month, or $139 per month if you pay annually. This adds QuickBooks integration, custom user roles, and e-signature functionality. If you're managing multiple properties or working with a team, the extra features start making more sense. And if that ain't enough, their premium plan is $229 monthly, or $199 per month annually. And it includes priority customer support, personalized onboarding, and access to their open API for custom integrations. This one is for larger operations that need advanced customization. There's no setup fees, which is nice to hear, and they offer a free demo so you can test drive it before committing anyway. And by the way, if you're interested in giving DoorLoop a try, check out the link in the description. For most products that we talk about, we have special deals that you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their website. The biggest strength, honestly, is just the flexibility that DoorLoop gives you. You can create custom lease terms, track direct bank deposits, and handle both short-term Airbnb stays and longer rentals all in the same system. It's a level of versatility that just saves a ton of time when you're juggling a whole bunch of different types of bookings. And their interface is genuinely user-friendly. I've seen some property management software that feels like it was designed by engineers for engineers, but DoorLoop actually makes sense. Even if you're new to this whole remote hosting thing, you're not going to spend weeks trying to figure out just how to use it. And the accounting features work really well. You can track your income and expenses, integrate with QuickBooks if you want, and generate reports that will make tax season way less painful. Trust me on that one. When you're handling multiple bookings and need clear financial records, this stuff just is essential. Security-wise, they use 256-bit encryption, so your guest data and payment information all stays totally protected. And if something goes wrong or you need help getting set up, their customer support is actually responsive. It's not one of those companies that you submit a ticket and you just hope you hear back. Before we wrap up, let me break down who should consider DoorLoop and who might want to look elsewhere. Go with DoorLoop if you're managing 1 to 50 properties and you just want everything in one place without needing a comp sci degree to use it. It's perfect for Airbnb hosts who are tired of juggling multiple apps, as well as small landlords who want professional tools without enterprise complexity, or really anyone managing properties remotely who needs reliable automation and support. Skip DoorLoop if you're running a massive property portfolio with like hundreds of units, because you're probably going to need more specialized enterprise software. Also, if you're perfectly happy with your current system and don't mind the complexity, there's no need to switch just for the sake of it. There are other property management platforms out there. Problem is, most of them have some pretty obvious drawbacks. AppFolio has powerful accounting tools, but it's complicated as all get out, and it's really designed for enterprise-level users. ResMan, Rent Manager, they're similar. They'll do the job, but they come with steep learning curves that'll eat up weeks of your time. DoorLoop hits that sweet spot where you get professional-grade features, but you don't need a computer science degree to use it. The QuickBooks integration works seamlessly. The pricing is flexible enough for small hosts, but scales up as you grow. And that unlimited training means you're never stuck just trying to figure things out on your own. So while other platforms might excel in one area or another, DoorLoop gives you the right balance of functionality and ease of use that actually makes sense for Airbnb hosts. Look, managing Airbnb properties remotely doesn't have to be a constant source of stress. With the right tools, you can actually enjoy the freedom that comes with remote hosting instead of feeling like you're always putting out fires. Like my mama said, right tool for the job. DoorLoop brings together everything you need to run your rental business smoothly from anywhere. The interface makes sense, the pricing is fair, and features actually work like they're supposed to. And if you need it, customer support has got your back. Whether you're just starting out with a single property or you're ready to scale up to multiple rentals, DoorLoop adapts to whatever size operation you're running. It's definitely worth considering if you want to make remote property management less of a headache and more of a real business. And don't forget, if you're thinking about trying out DoorLoop, check out the link in the description. Like I said, for most products we talk about, we have special deals that you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their website. So let me know, what has been your biggest challenge with managing properties remotely? List is probably pretty long. Drop a comment below. Let me know what's been giving you trouble. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.